Welcome back to freehighschooleducation.com. Today we are going to do an exercise session for chapter 5.2 on page 174. Written exercises: solve each inequality, graph the solution set. And we start with number 2, minus 4x more than 16. Here we need the value of 1x. So we have to divide by minus 4. And when we divide by a negative number, we have to change the inequality, the sign of the inequality. So here we are going to have 1x less than 16 divided by minus 4, and that will be 1x less than minus 4. This is the solution for this inequality, and we graph it. We put minus 2 and then minus 4. And x is less than minus 4, so we have an open circle on minus 4. And we go all the way till the end this way. Number 4, minus 16 more than 2y. Here we divide both sides by 2, and that will be minus 8 more than y. Or we can read it y less than minus 8. The arrow points to the smaller quantity. We have an open circle at minus 8, and we go all the way to the end. Next is number 6. Two over 3k less than minus 12. 2 over 3k less than minus 12. To get rid of this fraction, we multiply this side by the reciprocal, and we multiply the other side by the reciprocal. Here these cancel, and we get 1k is less than, this cuts with this one, minus 6, and minus 6 times 3, that's minus 18. So k is less than minus 18. So we have here, let's say, minus 10, and here minus 15, and here minus 18, and we have an open circle at minus 18, and we darken this side of the number line. Number 8, minus 3y minus 4. More than minus 7. Minus 3y more than 4 minus 7. We take this to the other side, change the sign. Minus 3y more than minus 3. Here we divide both sides by minus 3. And we have to change the inequality sign. So on this side we get y less than 1. Minus 3 divided by minus 3 is 1, and same on this side. So y is less than 1. And so on. And we start here. At 1 we have an open circle, and we go all the way to the end. Next is number 10, 3 less than minus 7a. Minus 8. We take 8 to this side, so 3 plus 8 less than minus 7a, and we have 11 less than minus 7a. We are going to divide by minus 7 and flip the sign, so we have 11 minus 11 over 7 more than a. Here we can reread this as a less than minus 11 over 7. And when we graph this, 11 over 7 is a little bit less than 2. So minus 1 and minus 2. 11 over 7 will be somewhere here. And a is less than this, so we go all the way to the negative side. Number 12. Nine minus 4k more than minus 15. We take this to the other side, so minus 4k more than minus 15 and minus 9. More than, this will be minus 24. We divide by minus 4 both sides, and we change the inequality sign, so we get k less than 6. And we graph it this way. 0, 3, 6, open circle at 6, and all the way to this side. We can put here minus 3 and minus 6. Next we will do number 18. Minus 6x minus 6 less than 3x minus 27. Here we can get this to this side, and we are going to be dealing with a negative number. And we have to remember that when we divide, we are going to switch the inequality sign. So let's do this. We get this to this side and this to the other side. So we get minus 6x minus 3x. We change the signs. Less than, this becomes 6 minus 27. And here we have minus 9x less than, the difference here is 21. And we are going to divide by minus 9 and change the sign. So x is more than, here we get a positive number, and that's, we are going to get a fraction, and that's 2. 3 remainder, 3 over 9 is 1 over 3. So x is more than 2 and 1/3, and we can graph this as such. More than 2 and 1/3 is around this here, 2 and 1/3. We label that point, and we go all the way to the end, to the positive end. Next is number 23. Five x minus 9 more than 8 plus 5x. Here we can get 5x to this side, and we keep the minus 9 for the time being. Here we are going to get 0, minus 9 more than 8. This is impossible. Minus 9 is not more than 8. And there is no value. We can put it for x here, and we are going to get this side to be more than this side. this quantity is always going to be smaller than this quantity. So there is no solution for this inequality, and the solution will be a null set. And when you graph it, there's nothing to put on the graph. And with this, we come to the end of this session. We hope to see you again.